Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video, we'll unbox the EL-Enviropad Thermometer with data logger, touchscreen and probe. The EL-Enviropad is a robust, easy-to-use, multifunction handheld thermometer that takes and records temperature readings via the attached thermocouple probe. The meter comes complete with an included K-type thermocouple probe. The unit also supports Type J, N and Type T thermocouples. Impressive features include selection between spot measurements and logging, a large onboard memory, able to store up to 65,000 time and date stamped temperature readings, customizable data collection settings, a USB interface for charging and computer connection, and audible alarms. In the box is some paperwork, including a safety information sheet and a quick start guide. To watch an Instrument Choice scientist demonstrate how to set up the EL-Enviropad, see the link in the video description. The touchscreen interface with the large LCD, a single button, USB connection on the base, and a thermocouple connection on the top. A micro USB lead for charging and data transfer. And lastly, the included K-type thermocouple with a temperature range of -100 to 700 degrees Celsius. The device comes with a small amount of charge, but should be charged for 24 hours prior to use. Once charged, you can see the impressive colour LCD screen with the two measurement options of spot checks, which is measurement and data logging. Line up and insert the thermocouple into the port on the top of the unit. For a video on how to set up and get measuring with this meter, including how to view collected data on a computer, see the link in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching!